Right, I'm fitting new indicators because as I've shown you in the photograph, mine were all filling with water here. The seals had obviously gone around this area. So I bought new ones and I took the bulb out because it comes with a bulb as well, just to show you that all it is a couple of bolts. There's a wire tensioner which holds it in place there, and it's basically a case of taking the old one out, putting that exactly into position into the side of the van, and then attaching the bulb and pulling the tensioner, and that is pretty much, that goes onto the framework there, and that is pretty much it. And she's on. So what I'll do is fit that now. So very simple in design, and obviously it'll make it look a lot better. There you can see there, look, see the water build up there, and I don't think there's any inside, but yeah, that's why it needs replacing, because it's gone all dull. So I thought a new one in there will do it some good. Right, inside the housing you can see there's the wire tensioner just there by my finger. You just pull that out of that little hole there. There you go, and that will cut, that's ready to come away. There's two little 10mm bolts just down there. You can see the first one there by my finger. Use an extension, little 10mm socket, and we'll crack that off. There's nowhere for me to hold this camera steady, so undo them two bolts. This will then come away. Okay, little bit of grease on the threads there, and just a little bit. I always put a little bit on the rubber there, so that when that pushes up against the metal, it just forms a seal. There's the tensioner, as you can see. So all I'm going to do is just offer it up to the position now where the light came from. That is how easy that goes on. As you can see, it looks a lot better, a lot cleaner, and the wire tensioner pulls through, just clips into that hole again there, and it's really hard to show you, but there you go. You can see there, that's ready for the bolts just to bolt onto it now. So I'll do that. The two bolts are tightened now. You can only just see them. There they are, see, just inside there, that one there and that one there. They're tightened up now. All that's left is for this to just go into there. All I'll do is fit that onto there now. That just pushes on. It's got a lug there, look, see it? So basically I just match it up to there. It's very awkward doing everything with one hand. That's now pushed on with two hands. In she goes, and that just twists there. And that's it, she's in, job done. And there it is, working away. Brilliant. That's it, that's that one side done. Over to the other side now. Same problem with that, misted up. So we'll get that sorted. Bit more of a task on this side. Undo that bolt, undo your terminals, lift the battery straight out, and that will help you to get to those bolts, which are exactly the same as the other side. Weather is turning, so I've just got it finished. So there you can see, there's the new light, indicator light all in, fitted, and that is another job jobbed. So all that remains is to test the merchandise. And there we go, working lovely. There we are, another job jobbed. Right, thanks for watching, and see you on the next job when I start fitting the spotlights. Cheers.